Hi everyone, I got my Cocoa Daisy in. I'm so excited. Now, thank you to the lady who let me know that I can get my kit subscription and I can get it changed where I don't get the standard Dory anymore. I'm gonna change it this month, so August will be different. So I'm excited about that. So this is South Beach, and remember, every month we get a theme and we get a little message from the owner, and I think that's so cool. So this is South Beach, and so right now I still get the I get the TN kit, which would be this one, and then I get the planner add-on TN kit and standard Dory kit, which that's the one I'm going to change and just get it without the standard Dory booklet. I read about this and I thought, oh my god, I love date stamps or roller stamps. It reminds me of a kid, you know. And when they showed a little sneak of this last month, I was ecstatic. I'm like, yes. So it's exactly what I wanted. Oh, and then look, it has time. It says time, and it says I can't read it. Time, fun, story, vibes, and then it has where you can put the date. So it doesn't have the year. Wait, no, it doesn't have the year, but it has like Saturday, Sunday, Friday, Thursday. It has all the days of the week, and then it says get to. Has a lot of different phrase stickers, and then it has the numbers. So that, I just love that. It's awesome. Okay, so let's see what we get. Okay, let me open things. Okay, so this is what that comes in the standard Dory. So that's that. The colors are beautiful. I love getting these notepads. I love notepads. They're just the best. And then it's a floral. It's almost like a Hawaii, you know, Bahamas kind of theme. So if you can't actually go, you can actually just have it and see it every day in your paper, and it's pretty colors. So, and the pens are always awesome. Oh, look, it's a map. Oh, it's a road map kind of thing. Let me show you. Let me see. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. I love that. Oh my gosh, look at that. I love getting the rubber paper clips too. That is so cool. Totally cool. Okay, let me open this. And then we get a roam if you want to. In my other videos, I mentioned that I'm sick still, so sorry guys. So I'm still sick, so it's going to be, might end up having to choke here pretty soon. I don't mean to. And then you get the refills for the pen. They should just send you one, because I don't know. You get so many. Oh, what is this? Oh, what is this? Huh. This is, oh, they're not cut. They're like a booklet. Oh, that's pretty neat. Huh. Look at that. So they're dashboards, but they're not cut, which is cool. So now you can cut them on your own. Huh. Got the black and white. Oh, I love that. That one's pretty. Really, really pretty. I think so that way people can use them for the bigger sizes, I think. I think so you can like cover it completely if you wanted to. That's pretty cool. Okay, and then these are the, when you get an acetate. Yeah, let me put it here. There you go. An acetate piece. The standard, that's bus, and the standard stickers that we get. So pretty. And then this is the Dory, the standard Dory. So let's see. We got the month. I love how every Every month it's just different. I love it. Oh, look at the suitcases and the sunglasses, and so cute. I'm gonna go by pretty quick. I need to choke, guys. Hold on. Sorry. Whew. Can I stop being sick now? On Friday it will be 4 weeks exactly. I am so over it. Oh, look how pretty. Oh, so pretty. I love this. This is just so cute. Just, you know, makes you smile. Aloha. So that's the standard size Dory kit. And let me move it out of the way. So, pretty cool. I like it. It's awesome. Let's do the planner add-on. So this is the planner add-on. Look at this bag. Doesn't this remind you of Golden Girls? This reminds me of Golden Girls. It really does. If you're like me in the 40s and you know Golden Girls is the bomb even back in the day. So it's a cool thing. I like that. That's awesome. So for all 3 of my kits, I pay $83 a month. So, okay, and you got rub-ons. Oh, these are pretty. Yeah, they're rub-ons. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love that. That's going to go great on my tan. How cute. I need to choke, guys. Hold on. Sorry. Okay. How pretty. Oh, so cool. And then the black and white washi. And then, oh, look at the tags. I love the tags. It's one tag. I love it. And these are the 4x6 and 3x4. Oh, look how cute. And it's a brown girl. Take a tropical timeout. Cute. Love this. Go. No, seriously, just go. The stickers. Summer is my favorite season. No, not at all. But it is my favorite fruit season. Watermelon, strawberries, yeah. Okay, so let's go to the Traveler's Notebook. I recommend, if you can only get one thing, the Traveler's Notebook. Oh, I get 2? Do I get 2? I get 2. Oh, look at that. So I get 2. I can leave one here because I have a couple craft rooms. So I can leave one in each craft room. So that's cool. So that works out perfectly. And I love getting these little ink pads. This one's a black, I believe. It looks like a little black. And then oh, I love the map. The map washi. That's cool. Oh, and then look at this one. I love getting paper clips. It's just a black one. It's neat. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at how awesome. I think you get so much in their tan kit that it's just worth it. Enamel arrows. Oh, look at this. I keep telling you every month how much I love tags and labels, and this one is a mecca of it. Oh my gosh, this is like drool worthy. Total drool. Look at this one. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to get another set of this because this is awesome. This is my favorite right here. Absolutely love it. Oh, love it. Is this the same one? Yeah. No. And look, it's a different one. This is part of the standard Dory, and then this one is part of the tan. So that's cool. And then you always get a helpful guide to show you how to sketch and how to put a tan together if you needed help. So I think that's cool. And then let's look and see. Oh, let's see what we get. I'm excited. Another tag. I love that. And then here's the dashboards. These are all cut. So they're double-sided. So you're going to have, so here's this side, let me do it like this. So there's that one. Cute. Cute. Oh, look at this purple. Love that. It's awesome. Oh, I love that. You could totally fussy cut this one out. I love it. This is just like awesome. What an awesome kit this month. I mean, every month is awesome though. And then this is the tan standard size dory. And it's different than the other one that we get. Super fun. Monthly highlights. Love it, you guys. So if you end up signing up for a subscription and you sign up because you watched my video, email Mary Kay, which all her stuff is in the description box below, and let her know you signed up because of me, and we both get $10 off our $20 or more purchase in the store next time we shop. It doesn't go towards the subscription, and you have to spend $20 to get the $10 off. But hey, $10 off is like shipping, so hey. Anyways, alright guys, I'll see y'all next month. Awesome kit, Cocoa Daisy. Love ya.